kiddos, and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you some things like transitions, using KEYNOTE, and matching video clips to music to make an intro for your videos. So I hope you enjoy it. Okay guys, so the first thing I did to make the intro that you just saw in the beginning of the video is pick clips from my vlogs. And I've been vlogging for a long time, so I just tried to pick clips here and there that represented my personality, and then I tried to match them up to the music. So if you look down at the green part of the screen, you can see that every time there is a change in the beat of the music that I picked, I change the clip so that visually and while you're listening to it, it matches and it just is nice and pleasing to watch. And I tried to make sure that I found a piece of music that I enjoyed that was about 10 seconds long, and then I just put clips in from my vlogs to match where the music changes. So the next thing I did was add transitions, and I used cross dissolve. I just put that in between each of my video clips that I had, and it just dissolves the first video into the next one, so it is a smoother transition for the video. I don't use transitions all the time, but I did like the look of it for the intro, and I did lower the duration to, I think I ended up going with 1/3 of a second so that it wasn't too slow. So the next thing I did was choose fonts that I liked. So I went to a website called dafont.com and I picked Samantha and Simplicity. Those I thought were really pretty. So I downloaded them and then clicked on the TTF file and clicked install so that I could apply it to KEYNOTE. The next part is using KEYNOTE, and I just opened a blank white presentation, and I opened a 16:9 ratio, so it's a widescreen. So first I just typed my channel name, I picked a font that I liked, and then I just made that very large so that it was the biggest part of the screen when you saw it. So the next thing I'm gonna do is add my Instagram handle name, and I tried to pick a printed font that I liked. You can see I'm downloading it here, again from dafont.com. And then I added a PNG image of an Instagram logo so that it could come in at the same time as my Instagram handle. I chose the animation in Move In, and then I chose left to right, and I selected for the image and the words to come in at the same time. And then I also found a PNG image of a subscribe button so that come in as well. Here is how everything looks all together. And so it kind of just takes some playing around with and previewing so that you can find what you like. In the animations, I picked for my channel name to go first, and then for my Instagram to follow, and then subscribe to come last. So here's how it looks. So then I screen recorded the project I made in KEYNOTE and put it into iMovie. I trimmed only the animated part that I want, and I put it at the end of my intro so that it fit with the music. And then I watched everything back, and I made it a little bit faster. I think I made it 2 times faster just so it wasn't so slow, and then I clipped it to make sure it went with the music. Here's the intro one more time all together so you can see how the final thing looks. That was it. I hope that helped you if you are trying to start a YouTube channel and don't know how to make an intro. If you have any questions, definitely leave them down below and I will be more than happy to help. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!